Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hello and welcome to another episode of News from the World of MBA. In this episode, I'll be talking about the CAT 2020 exam that has recently concluded and the analysis put out by leading coaching centers. I'll also be talking about the selection criteria released by IIM Calcutta and IIM Nagpur amongst other key headlines. So let's dive in. The CAT 2020 exam has finally concluded and boy was it a surprise. Although everyone expected the number of questions to go down and it did, not everyone expected the level of difficulty that the CAT 2020 exam posed. Here's a glimpse of the analysis done by Time, IMS and Career Launcher on what score it will take to get a 99 percentile in all three slots of the CAT 2020 exam. In slot 1, Time, IMS and CL predict the cutoff for a 99 percentile to be closer to 110. This is the highest predicted cutoff across all three slots, implying that slot 1 was the easiest of the lot. Slot 2 was generally considered to be more difficult than slot 1, especially the DILR section. As a result, the score required for a 99 percentile has dropped, with Time, IMS and CL predicting scores in the range of 100 to 105. For slot 3, the 99th percentile score has been predicted by Time, IMS and CL to be in the 103 to 105 range. The predicted cutoff for a 99 percentile for the brutal DILR section is the lowest in this slot. How was CAT 2020 for you? What do you think was the most difficult section and how much do you agree with the analysis that has been put out by leading CAT coaching organizations? Let me know what you think in the comments below. So finally, IIM Calcutta has revealed its selection criteria for admission to the PGP batch of 2023. Let's look at the major highlights of the latest admission policy. IIM Calcutta has set the minimum overall CAT 2020 cutoff at the 85th percentile for the general category. The minimum cutoff for the DILR and VARC section has been set at the 80th percentile, while the cutoff for the quant section has been set at the 75th percentile. While shortlisting candidates for the WAT PI round, IIM Calcutta will assign a 56% weight to a candidate's CAT 2020 scores. A candidate's class 12th marks will receive a 15% weight, their class 10th marks will receive a 10% weight, and their graduation marks will receive a 15% weight. IIM Calcutta will also assign a 4% weight for gender diversity. For creating the final shortlist, IIM Calcutta has assigned a 33% weight to a candidate's CAT 2020 score, a 53% weight for a candidate's PI performance, nearly 9% weight for work experience, and 4% weight for academic diversity. Candidates with less than 12 months of work experience will be awarded no marks, while candidates with 31 to 36 months of experience will receive the maximum marks. Work experience will be counted as of January 31st, 2021. We've covered IIM Calcutta's complete selection criteria on Inside IIM in an article, so you can check it out using the link in the description. IIM Nagpur has released its latest selection criteria for admission to the PGP batch of 2023. The following are the key highlights from IIM Nagpur's latest admission policy. So for the general category, IIM Nagpur has set the minimum overall CAT 2020 cutoff at the 85th percentile and the minimum sectional cutoffs at the 72nd percentile for each of the three sections. While shortlisting candidates for the WAT PI process, IIM Nagpur will assign a weight of 30% for a candidate's CAT 2020 score, 35% weight for a candidate's past academic performance, 20% weight for work experience, and 15% weight for diversity. Candidates with work experience lesser than 6 months or greater than or equal to 36 months will receive no marks for work experience. Candidates with 18 to 24 months of experience will receive the maximum marks. While creating the final shortlist, IIM Nagpur will assign a 40% weight to a candidate's personal interview performance, 10% weight to a candidate's WAT performance, 15% weight each for past academic performance and work experience, and 5% weight for group discussion performance. There will also be a 15% weight for a candidate's CAT performance. Many top American business schools have released their employment reports for their MBA batches of 2020, and these business schools have shown a drop in the job offers and acceptances but have seen an increase in the salaries and bonuses offered. At the Haas School of Business at Berkeley, the average salary increased by about $1,300, reaching nearly a total of $140,000. Job offers 3 months after graduation fell down to 89% from 93% last year, and accepted offers fell from 91% to 87%. At the Stern School of Business at NYU, the number of offers received at graduation fell massively from 90% to 83%, while job offers accepted at graduation fell from 86% to 79%. However, salaries actually went up at Stern in 2020. The median base salary went up to $150,000 from $140,000, increasing by about 6%. At the Kellogg School of Management at Northwestern, the batch of 2020 received a record median base salary of $144,000. Job offers 3 months after graduation fell marginally from 98% last year. Trends at other top American business schools will be revealed soon as more B schools release their employment reports. Okay, so here's some good news for working professionals. As many as 87% of Indian companies plan to raise employee salaries in 2021, up from 71% this year, indicating optimism amongst Indian companies about a potential turnaround in fortunes after the widespread turbulence caused by the pandemic. These companies are expected to offer an average 7.3% salary hike to their employees in 2021, rising from a dismal 6.1% average increase this year, according to the India Salary Increase Trend Survey. Next year's expected 7.3% increase would still be the lowest in 14 years, excluding this year and 2008 to 2009 when the world was engulfed by the global financial crisis. The survey was conducted by collating data from more than 1,050 companies across 20 industries. That's all for today. I'll see you very soon with more updates from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.